I think that's okay, guys. I didn't just hurt my feet. Just hurt my feet. Yeah, I know. Yeah. I don't know. That's true. So on the channel, they were gonna make a slime. So you see, I'm gonna make a pizza. So the first thing we can make a pizza to make it nice and big and round. We already saw it. And we will make some pizza. Okay, so once again, small squishy channel and subscribe. So let's play with some slime. So I'm gonna make a pizza. Look, guys. Whatever. Next. The first thing about your pizza needs to have cuts in it. Alright. And there your pizza is. Alright. Pizza back together. So you got your pizza. So you got let's make a pizza. So get your pizza dough. And then and squeeze your pizza dough to a big round. Clapping! And for light bulb! Okay guys, now I'm gonna make a bowl. Okay, so first thing about the bowl. The place you want. See, I put it in the middle. And then you wait for it. And then we'll move the edges up. We'll move it. We'll move these edges. And the edge. No. It's not like it's a You look, guys, look at the mold. Look at the mold. Look at the mold. Look at the mold. So this is my pizza. Going to be our pizza, okay, guys? So let's get the pizza out. So this is the pizza. Sweet. What about we make an Oreo? Yeah, that looks nice. Okay, I said fine. Okay, also 3 days ago, a great milkshake. But before that, I want to tell you something really funny. Okay, let's get started. And too much, and too much, no, 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 too much, too much. Okay, that's your slime now. So funny. This is perfect. This is a medium. Okay. So now let's get our blue slide and open it up. This is all gone. Oh. Who is powerful girl with a secret? Sorry, Barbie. Barbara. Cookies. Big shine. Oh, someone's gonna blow up. And blow up. Blow up. Blow up. Blow up. Peanut butter sandwich. People sandwiches. Broken. Look at the cookie. They're so fine. They're broken. See? This cookie and queen cookie and princess cookie. So many cookie family. I think we don't need yellow. Let's stop make yellow and boy. Just the same one. This is a perfect pie. Perfect pie. See? Look at this, guys. It's like a hot air balloon. It's like a hot air balloon. Alright, so let's squeeze. Squeeze the squeeze. Good. Now. Okay, now we made our tea. Now we get the cream in the cookies. Oh, cream, the blueberry cream. This blueberry. And then you put all the other pieces. Okay. Well, guys, our Oreo is done. Looks so good. One Oreo. Great idea. You can make so many balls. Where will you put the balls? I know. You have to put the balls in here. One of them. One ball. Another ball. Another ball. Yeah. And now we get another ball. Another ball. Now our last and final ball. This minute. The princess ball. Look, guys, so cool. It's beautiful. Wait, Mom. Okay, guys, so let's make a lovely shapes. So first, I will make all the shapes in one slide. So I have to squeeze it and again I got a big booty shape. Inside all this one. I'll check. Circle. Just look at everything. I need to make more big. Let's make a booty. Oh no! think it's not enough. Okay. Oh, a magic fan. Oh, wow. I made my first line. Okay. Guys, I made my first line. First line there. Right. Now we'll make a circle. Alright. What? Okay, start over making this. Okay. Let's I made my other shape. I made my circle. See? Make a smooth and neat, knowing circle. Squish. Chat. Hey guys, so this is my circle. Let's go. Okay. Circle. And done. But guys, I know I don't do much stuff because I'm tired.